Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can easily turn on your PC. Maybe somehow or some cases your PC won't getting shut down and it's appear black screen. So in this video I will share with you step by step how you can fix that issue. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, if you want to immediately or instantly shut down, you can use a simple trick. So for that you have to go on your search icon and type here CMD and then click on command prompt will appear. Just simply right click over there and then click on run as administrator and then simply click here yes, and then it's going to appear here. You have to type shutdown space /s space /t space. Here you can type 3 seconds or either you can type 5 seconds. That means after, if you type 5 seconds and then if you click enter, after 5 seconds immediately your PC going to shut down. If you type it here 3 seconds, your PC will be immediately going to shut down after 3 seconds. So this is only just a like instant solution maybe, but if you want a permanent solution for that, I'm going to share it to other all step. First step is go on this PC, right click over there and click on manage, and then you will see the new screen appear. Here you have to choose device manager. On the right side you will see many options appear. Here you have to choose system device, and here you have to choose Intel Management Engine interface. Just double click on it and then you will see Intermediate Management Interface option will appear. Here you have to choose power management and then simply uncheck this, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and simply click on OK, and hopefully your PC going to be fixed. If it is not, let me share with you the second step. Second step is go on your search icon and type here power and sleep, and you'll find here power and sleep settings. Simple open it and then you'll see a power and sleep option will appear. On the right side you will find here additional power settings. Simply click that and then you will see a screen appear. Here you have to choose what the power button do, and here you have to choose change settings that are currently enabled, and simply uncheck this one, turn the fast startup, and simply click on save change, and hopefully your PC going to immediately, whenever you're going to shut down, there will be no error. If it is not, the last step is go on your this PC, right click over there and click on manage and then click on device manager. In the right side choose this display adapter and right click over here and then click on update driver, and here you can choose search automatic for update driver, or if it is not work you can choose browse my computer for driver software and let me pick up, and you can choose your that Intel USD graphic and simply click on next, and hopefully it's going to fix that issue. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.